Hello everyone, what's up and welcome to JaJaJapan. If you're new here, my name is Leo and this is Yugo. We are born and raised here in Japan and we are studying in Tokyo now. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the 11 unique vending machines in Haneda Airport.
Of course, everything we're gonna to mention is going to be linked in timestamps, in video descriptions and pinned comments, so you can skip another video if you like it. So let's get to it.
The first vending machine I'm gonna introduce provides as kutaniyaki, which is officially registered as Japanese traditional crafts from Ishikawa Prefecture. There is small miniature, so it's convenient to carry around. It costs about 1,000 yen to buy. Next to there is a vending machine that sells Disney figure toys such as Toy Story 4, Star Wars, Mickey, and so forth. Around 300 yen. You might feel like you went to Disneyland by getting them. Next, Dashi. Dashi is a Japanese fish broth made of kelp or bonito. Dashi is widely used for Japanese cuisine like ramen, Japanese hot pot, and so on. I recommend that you try to drink it directly. You can savor the full flavor of bonito. Next, local dishes all over the Japan. This vending machine makes you feel you traveled all over the Japan because it provides us local dishes and goods from a variety of places in Japan. If you plan to stay in Tokyo only, it's worth going there. Okayama Prefecture. Yeah. Toyama Prefecture. Fukushima Prefecture. Yamagata Prefecture. Akita Prefecture. Next is hot menu, casual frozen foods. This vending machine provides 4 options of real Japanese frozen foods Japanese people commonly eat in daily life. 4 grilled rice balls, 2 grilled rice balls with 2 slices of chicken nuggets, takoyaki, octopus balls, and fried potatoes. There is a microwave oven inside of this, so it makes your order unfrozen. Remind that your order will be piping hot right after it is served, so please be careful. Next, instant ramen from all over Japan. You can purchase instant ramen all over Japan. I highly recommend an instant ramen from Toyama Prefecture named Toyama Black, which is made of soy sauce and pork bone broth. It's so thick that the soup turned black. But you don't have to worry about it. It's very popular in Japan. My friend who is ramen nerd also said Toyama Black is one of the delicious ramens in Japan. Omikuzi. Omikuzi is a fortune slip affected by Buddhism. It indicates your fortune in this year. and suggest what you should do to improve your fortune. Here's the rest of fortune. He got Chukichi.
Oh! ミドルラッキー。中吉。
Next is Pokemon. If you are a Pikachu lover, there is no option to avoid going to this vending machine. It sells big doll-shaped Pikachu, so you might worry about the size of them before checking your flight in because some airlines limited the size and weight of luggage bags you bring to your seats. You can change other language. Next, Gundam and Doraemon. Doraemon, who is one of the most famous anime characters in the world, is sold in Haneda Airport. However, unfortunately, you can purchase a miniature of him. You can use not only cash but also credit cards for payment when you buy Pokemon or Doraemon. Oh! Look, you can buy them. Kitty. These vending machines are located at the entrance of the store on Terminal 3 Floor 5, named Hello Kitty. Japan specializing in Hello Kitty. The red one sells two flavors of popcorn made by Hello Kitty, while the left one sells a kind of small coins printed Hello Kitty. Last one is Emma. On the Terminal 3 Floor 5, you can get Emma, which is wooden bracket that people write their prayers or wishes on. If you want to make your wish come true, don't forget to write your wish and your name on Emma, because you need to inform Buddha of your existence. Here is the bad example. Make sure that you wrote your name.
Thank you for watching our video. I recommend you checking them out when you come to Haneda Airport. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment below. Thank you.
ありがとうございました。